Mamelodi Sundowns and head coach Rulani Mokwena are set to part ways ahead of the 2024-2025 season. Mokwena won the DStv Premiership with a record points total and the inaugural African Football League in his first full season in charge of the club. However, insiders have confirmed that his targets were not completely met upon review of the campaign. As first reported by SABC Sport, a strained relationship with the sporting director Flemingberg over the style of play and transfer strategy was among the leading contributors to the exit, which is said to be confirmed this week. Just one season into his new 4-year contract, Mokwena was offered a settlement this weekend, and he was not part of the arrivals at Chlorokop this morning with the rest of the first team. Manqoba Mnqitsi is expected to oversee the squad for the start of pre-season as Masandawana looks swiftly to replace Mokwena ahead of the new campaign. The club have also released a long-serving performance analyst, Dale Solomons, upon the expiry of his contract. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.